program, as well as the Hawaii Music Institute at Wyndham Community College. He's an educator, as well as 1/3 of the Nahoku Hanohano award-winning group Hi'ikua. Big round of applause for Kamuela Kimokeo. Wait, let me rephrase that. Dr. Kamuela Kimokeo. And of course, right next to him, you all know him, you all love him, legendary singer-songwriter of the group Olomana, Hawaiian Music Hall of Fame inductee, multiple Nahoku Hanohano Award winner, and doctor. We'll add doctor as well in there too. Might as well. Kona Noi Nights, please, a warm aloha to Jerry Santos.
How nice of you folks to come and sit in the rain. You're all gonna grow before you go home. It's there in the air. Can you feel it? Hawaii is calling. Feel it. this call.